Hey guys, so today is going to be a short tutorial about how to install Divi Builder for your WordPress website. This is going to be the first one of a series of tutorials about the Divi Builder, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel to don't miss any of the next ones. Before we jump into the video, I have a quick announcement. Every day we have clients that feel like the world is moving too fast. They don't have time to learn all the new technologies and they are afraid that their business is going to be left behind. That's why we created a newsletter in which we share the latest web design trends, some valuable marketing tips, and some tutorials to help you leverage AI for your business growth. If all of this seems interesting to you, you can subscribe for free right now. I'll put a link down below. And now, back to the video. Alright, so first of all, Divi Builder is a builder for your WordPress site, so it allows you to build a WordPress website without coding and just with a visual interface. So first of all, what you need to do is go to eleganttheme.com and create an account. So once you created your account, you're going to have to look at the pricing, you're going to have to choose a plan. So you have two plans, the $89 plan and the Pro plan. I think this plan is more than enough for your use case, but it depends. So take the plans that you need. And then, once this is done, you can go to Account, Product Download, and here simply download the Divi theme. So click here, it's going to download the theme. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my WordPress website. So here I have a WordPress website with a fresh installation. And I'm going to go to Appearance, Theme, add a new theme. And click here, upload a theme, and then choose file, and here select divi.zip, open, install now, and this is going to install your theme. Alright, and once this is done, you can simply click on activate here, and now my Divi theme is active. I just need one more thing, is to register the API key. So here, if I go, first of all, let's go back to Elegant Theme website. And here, if you go to my account, you go to username and API key. And here on this page, you will have, if you scroll down, you will have your username here. So copy your username first. Go back to your WordPress website, go to the Divi on the sidebar, go to Theme Options, click on Updates. Here you can enter your username, then go back to the Elegant Theme, and here if you go scroll down, and here you can generate new API key. Click Generate. This will give you a new API key. So click here to copy the API key. Then go back to your WordPress website and paste your API key. Then click Save Changes. And that's it. So now if I go back to all pages, if I add a new page, up, and here you have the option to use Divi Builder. So here click Use Divi Builder. And now I will be redirected to the Divi interface. So here you can choose to create a page from a layout or clone an existing page. Here I can just go build from scratch, and that's it basically. Alright, so that's it for today. Don't forget to leave a like to this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and in the meantime have a good day and see you in the next one.